Welcome back to Crumbs. Today we're going to show you how to do an emergency call on an iPhone. If you are in a moment of emergency and you want to do it fast, obviously you can go to the phone and call somebody. But what you can also do is press and hold the same buttons to turn off. So it's the lock button on the side here and the volume rocker up or down that is here. Not the top one, that's the action button. And when we press and hold for like a second, you can do emergency call. The moment I swipe that, it'll call emergency services and they'll know where you are, what you're doing, what's going on. And you can do it from the lock screen too. Let's do the lock button and the volume down. You can do an emergency call also. So that's how you basically can do an emergency call from an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next one. You can even do it here. You've got an emergency here and it'll let you call an emergency number. In our country is 112. In yours might be 911 or a different combination of numbers. It's good that you know what country you're in and what's the emergency number for that location. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.